Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter monomials and polynomials. The lessons we're going to cover today are identify monomials, model monomials with algebra tiles, add and subtract polynomials using algebra tile, add and subtract polynomials and add polynomials to find parameter. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson that is identify monomials. Is 2 kilometers square a monomial? So monomial is the one that cannot include any addition or subtraction sign. So yes, 2k m square is a monomial because it is not related with any addition or subtraction sign. Let's just start with the test questions. Is 3d g square plus 2h square j a monomial? Which is the correct option? That is no, right? The correct option is no. Is 4 a monomial? Yes, it is. That is a monomial. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is 5tu cube minus 2tu3 minus 3t minus 3t minus 4vw and minus 5u square a monomial? The correct option is no, that isn't a monomial, right? Monomial that does not involve any addition and subtraction sign. So the correct option is no. Is 5m a monomial? The correct option is yes, it is a monomial. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is 3 plus 2gh a monomial? The correct option is no, that isn't a monomial. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is model monomial with algebra tiles. Let's just start with the next lesson. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So, which is the correct option? Let's just see how many x square you we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10x square. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. So 10 square plus 5x and plus you have only one tile. So you can write it as 10x square plus 5x plus 1. Option number. The correct option is 10x square plus 5x plus 1. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? So which is the correct option? That is 3x square plus 9x plus 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? That is 5x square plus 3x plus 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 5x square plus 3x plus 7. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? That is x square plus 3x plus 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So which is the correct option? That is 6x square plus 5x plus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6x square plus 5x plus 2. is x square plus 6x plus 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tiles represent? That is 5x square plus 4x plus 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract polynomials using algebra tiles. Use algebra tiles to find 4x square plus 6x plus 8 minus x square plus 7. So you have to subtract, right? So you are subtracting, so the same tiles cancel out each other. You have to minus. So 1 x square and x square tile cancel out each other. Then here you have 8. So 7 of the tiles cancel out with these tiles, right? And you are left with 3x square tiles. They remain the same, right? Plus 6x and plus 1. So the answer is 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Option number, here you have 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 8x square plus 7x plus 6, you have to subtract 3x square and 4x. So same tiles cancel out because you are subtracting, right? So these three tiles cancel out with these three tiles. You are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x square tiles. You do not, yeah, you have 4x tiles. So there you have to cancel out 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 tiles cancel out. So you are left with 2 tiles here. No, 3 tiles here. Plus 3x, and you these tiles remain the same. So that is 5x square plus 3x plus 6 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, use algebra tiles to find. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is option number 2. 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 5x 6x square plus 5x plus 1. You need to add 10x plus 1. So which is the correct option? That is 6x square plus 6x plus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 7x square plus 2x plus 1. Take away 2x square plus 2x. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 5x square plus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 8x square plus 2x plus x square plus 5x plus 10. So which is the correct option? That is 9x square plus 7x plus 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 8x plus 9 minus x plus 1. So which is the correct option? That is 7x plus 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find x square plus 10x plus 8 plus 6x plus 8. So which is the correct option? X square plus 16x plus 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles find 3x square plus 6x plus 6 plus 8x square plus 4x plus 6. So which is the correct option? That is 11x square plus 10x plus 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ten x square plus 5x plus 9 minus 9x square plus 3x. Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. X square plus 2x plus 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next lesson is add and subtract polynomials. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, now you have to simply add them, right? So you add the like terms. Like terms means the terms that have the same variable. So 5, 9p and 8p are like terms, so just add 8p plus 9p. Then 4 plus 2, they are like terms, so make a group and then add. So that is 17p plus 6. Let's just start with the test questions. 3a plus 7 you need to add to 4a plus 6. So which is the correct option? You have to add, make the uh, group the like terms. So 3a plus 4a, that makes 7a, and 7 plus 6, that makes 13. So the correct option is 7a plus 13. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8f square plus 5f plus 6, you need to add 8f square plus f plus 1. So which is the correct option? You have to add the like terms, right? So 8f square and 8f square makes 16f square. 5f plus 1 is 6f plus 7. So the correct option is option number 1. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Subtract 7s plus 7. So minus 4s plus 4. That is 7s minus 4s is 3s, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So option number 1 is the correct option. Subtract a plus 6 minus a plus 1. The correct option is option number 1. That is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7u square plus 6u square plus 9u plus 5. So which is the correct option? That is 13u square plus 9u plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Seven b plus 3, you need to add 3b plus 9. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 10b plus 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8u square plus 5u plus 6 minus 7u square plus 2. So, which is the correct option? That is u square plus 5u plus 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four n plus 7 minus n plus 6. The correct option is 3n plus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is monomials and polynomials. The lessons we have covered today are identify monomials, model monomials with algebra tiles, add and subtract polynomials using algebra tiles, and add and subtract polynomials. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are here to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and you can write down the question in the chat box. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.